Love the beauty industry but don't have a big budget? Here are 10 AI-powered business ideas. In beauty and cosmetics, you can launch for under $1,000, even if you're starting from your bedroom. Number 1. AI Skincare Consultant. Use AI tools like Perfect Corp or Halt.ai to analyze selfies and give personalized skincare routines. Build a service around it. Charge clients or partner with skincare brands to recommend products. Number 2. Virtual Makeup Try-On Service. Use AR/AI apps like YouCam or Banuba to create custom virtual try-on experiences for lipstick, foundation, or lashes. Offer it to small cosmetic brands that can't afford their own tech. Number 3. AI-generated beauty product copywriting. Create product descriptions, launch emails, and Instagram captions using ChatGPT. Offer copywriting services to indie beauty brands who need help marketing their products online. Number 4. Personalized beauty box curation. Use AI to analyze customer preferences and recommend curated beauty boxes. Partner with small product lines and turn it into a subscription model. You don't even need to hold inventory with dropshipping. Before we go further, if you want to launch any of these ideas as a real business, head to EngineShark.com. They help you build your brand from scratch. Logo, website, marketing content, even your business email and legal registration, all in one dashboard. Whether you're creating an AI beauty startup or just freelancing, Engine Shark makes it easy to go from idea to income fast. Check the link in the description to get started today. Number 5. Beauty Influencer Content Assistant. Offer a done-for-you caption, hashtag, and posting strategy using AI. Tools like ChatGPT and Lately.ai can help beauty influencers automate their content calendar. Number 6. AI-powered hair color simulation. Use apps that simulate hair colors on selfies and offer it to salons or mobile stylists. It's a great lead gen tool and adds major value to consultations. Number 7. Custom beauty ebook creation. Use AI to create personalized skin, hair, or makeup guides and sell them as downloadable ebooks, or offer them as lead magnets for brands or salons. Number 8. AI-driven ingredient analyzer. Use AI to analyze beauty product ingredients for allergies, safety, or sustainability. Create a web tool or blog around it and monetize through affiliate links or consulting. Number 9. Product review aggregator with AI summaries. Collect user reviews from across platforms and use AI to generate short, easy-to-digest summaries. Beauty shoppers want this, and brands will pay for it. Number 10. Personalized fragrance quiz with AI matching. Use a quiz plus ChatGPT to match users to niche perfumes or essential oils based on personality or mood. Monetize with affiliate partnerships or private label sales. The future of beauty is personalized, digital, and AI-driven, and you can be part of it for under $1,000. Like, share, and hit that subscribe button. And check out EngineShark.com if you're ready to build your brand fast.